Hello English learners, welcome back to our channel where we make a step forward mastering English with every lesson. In this video, we'll see vocabulary related to the house. What is this? And this? And what about this one? If you want to know the answers and learning about house vocabulary, watch this video till the end. Grab your copybook, and it's more effective if you make a vocabulary section. You can draw some sketches beside the name in order to help you remember the meaning. Let's begin. Door, wall, window, roof, steps, flower bed, driveway, garage, patio, garden, fence, gate, balcony, porch, fireplace, cupboard, closet, shelf, skylight, stairs, ceiling, chimney, attic, basement, hallway, bedroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, dining room. And now, let's take a test. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. What is this? It's fence. What is this? It's a garage. What about this? Roof. What we call this? It's a living room. What's the name of this? It's steps. What is this? Stairs. What we call this? Window. What is this? It's a flower bed. What's the name of this? It's dining room. What is this? It's driveway. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you